Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Autotrader account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, in order to change your email address, click on your user ID at the top right once again, and then click on a profile. Now, from the profile page, you will see the email address section, underneath which you can tap on Update Email. You will now be asked to enter your new email address. Type in your desired new email address, and then type it in once again for confirmation within the Confirm Email box. Then click on the Update Email button, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to this new email address. So just check within the inbox and you will find this verification code. Enter this code within the given box and then click on the verify button. And now your email address will be changed on your Autotrader account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.